If you love comfort food, you'll love this vegan chili mac and cheese. It's creamy, hearty, and packed with flavor. It's easy to make and the kind of meal that even non-vegans will love. Ready in 40 minutes. Heat a little oil in a pot over medium heat. Sauté 1 diced onion, 1 bell pepper, and 4 garlic cloves until soft, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add spices, combine well with the veggies, and sauté for about 1 minute. Push the vegetables to the sides of the pot, creating space in the center, and add the tomato paste. Cook for 12 minutes, stirring as you mix it into the vegetables until well combined. Add beans, crushed tomatoes, corn, vegetable broth, salt, and black pepper. Simmer for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the pasta and cook for 10-12 minutes, stirring frequently to prevent sticking. Since it will continue to cook from the residual heat after being removed from the burner, taste a piece to ensure it's cooked but still firm before turning off the heat. While that's cooking, blend the ingredients for the cheese sauce. Once the pasta is tender and absorbed most of the liquid, turn off the burner and pour in the creamy cashew cheese sauce. Stir everything together until it's thick and cheesy. And that's it! Vegan chili mac ready to serve. Top with fresh cilantro, avocado, or a sprinkle of green onions, and dig in.